Okay, one more that I know of.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, that'll do it.
let's see your eyes.
Where is it? I don't know. We'll check.
Give me a hint.
I'll give you a hint. Alex knows where it is.
I'll give you a hint. Ladder. Yeah, no, this is mine. This is my egg. I confiscated it.
Oh,
I don't know where it is.
I'll give you a hint. It's right
invisible.
by my foot.
It's invisible. It's invisible.
Yeah. I found it.
Oh, you find eggs, Quinlan?
Oh, thank you.
I didn't think you were that tall. Oh, wait,
Hey, Quinlan.
here you go.
Quinlan. Quinlan. Quinlan.
Uh-oh, it fell open.
No. Oh, there's a bunch of candy over there that fell open.
Where?
Hey, Quinlan. Look, Quinlan, here's a bunch of little eggs.
Oh, I see the little
Quinny,
eggs.
hey.
What is she doing?
Oh, are you going to rehide them?
Oh.
They're breaking open. You're going to lose all your candy.
Yeah, you're gonna lose all your candy.
Poor little sheep.
On it.
Oh, that's a cute sheep. It matches my moose. It matches my moose. Ew, those are on the ground.
They're still good. Ah!
Ready to go, the balloon.
Camera fight! Oh, I lost it! Woo, 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 woo!
Oh, Quinlan, gross. Oh, snap.
Come here!
Oh, let's see it, Quinlan. Oh, yeah, there you go. No.
Stop that. Stop that.
If you
Hey,
find
Zoe.
some of them have these, grab those. I don't want you to eat them.
Zoe.
Rainbow. Don't sleep.
Ow.
Chucking them at each other.
She's chucking them at me. Oh,
Jeez, yeah, you're back.
I need it.
Wow, how did that You ready?
yep.
Move your hand. Ready? Now flip your head backwards. Don't open your mouth so big. Did you get it?
Hey, you don't get. You,
Are we moving too much?
no. It's just it's not penetrating.
Okay, okay. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Come on, a little harder, a little harder.
I need it so I can stay cam. Okay, wait, I need to get mine. Ow! Matt, here you go.
Don't hurt the cow.
That's so hard, Jake. That was attacking They might full of water.
What?
Look, listen, listen. Everybody be quiet.
Listen.
Uh-huh.
Oh, got you in the butt.
Are you still looking, Max?
Stabbed you. You baked it!
Oh,
I shall not be stabbed!
Oh, look what you made me do.
Another one.
Are you okay, Max?
I'm so proud of you, Max. What's on the inside? Open it. You didn't eat it. Make sure it's not anything bad for you.